My next question, so question number 2, is at Rewind, we work with a lot of men that are coming in to us for like health reasons. So, for example, guys have lower energy levels, loss of muscle, fat gain, reduction in libido. And I think also that they end up suffering, or a lot of guys, myself included, was sort of suffering from a weird type of like depression or low energy. So what do you see? Like, do you see your guys, they must get like a positive emotional boost. And I don't, like you said in the last one, more confidence, but they must just in general feel better about themselves, right, when they're feeling younger. Mm-hmm. So maybe you can tell, because I've seen a lot, you have amazing reviews, 5-star on Google. So like, what type of feedback do they give you?
With scalp micropigmentation, the results are so immediate. There's people that get the scalp micropigmentation and they haven't seen their hairline in, let's say, 18 to 24 years, and all of a sudden they see a new hairline, and it's like the first immediate reaction is looking at themselves in the mirror and trying to figure out, like, oh my God, is this really me? They feel younger. You can see their posture. You can see how they look at themselves in the mirror. You can see the walk. You can just feel it. Like, it's just something that you feel, and like I get goosebumps right now telling you about it, because
right.
it's just like it's a reaction, and it's just like such a boost of confidence that they get immediately. Compare like when the hair transplant, you're doing like the pain medication, like you're doing your medications, you're walking around with a band. It takes some time for you to actually see the results. This one, you sit in on your first session, you're already seeing the gradual results. So everybody gets a boost of confidence. I follow most of my clients on their social media, and you can see the difference on what they're posting. Before, they used to they post a cup or their family members or wherever they're on vacation, and all of a sudden it's selfies on the beach, it's selfies in the gym. It's just, now they want to show themselves off. Right. And the main problem is that they feel that they look old. This is the main comment that everybody says. They feel that they look old because the hair is receded or the hairline is all the way in the back. So with the hairline, by pushing the hairline forward, they feel younger, they feel youthful, and they get more energy because they feel good about themselves. And that energy is out there, and it's pretty amazing.
Yeah. Listen, I notice the same thing with my clients, because a lot of them, when they get in really good shape, start posting more like shirtless pictures. Mm-hmm. I mean, even myself, obviously I'm a client of Rewind, so I was not posting. I used to be sort of obese. Yes, if you guys go to my website and to this YouTube video channel, you'll see me when I was really heavy, total like dad bod. I was not posting a lot of pictures shirtless boating. And then now that, not that I like to post now shirtless pictures, but I'm more likely to. And I see the same thing with my clients. When they feel like they're in better shape, they're more social, they're posting more, they're happier. So that's great. Yeah. How long do they sit there for? Like 2 or 3 hours, they don't see themselves, and then they pop up and all of a sudden they look different, right?
They look completely different. The process takes between 2 and 3 hours. As soon as they look at themselves in the mirror, it's a silence. It's a silence. It's a shock.
Right.
But it's the shock, but I try to do it so it's not so shocking for them. A lot of other artists, they oversaturate the area immediately, and for the client, it's like, oh my God, what did I just do? For me, I do it in a gradual effect, and it's in a way that, if you go to work after your first session, nobody's going to even notice. I've had clients who are so worried that other people are like, oh my God, I don't want to go back to work, and people are going to say, what did you do to your head? Or they know that I'm trying to fix myself when I told them I was happy bald and all these things. But then after their final session, they send me a message like, oh, I'm so upset that I went to work and nobody noticed my micropigmentation. I had to tell them that I got it done.
Right.
And it was like, what was the point of it? It's like, because people don't believe it's a tattoo on their head.
Yeah.
So they think it's real hair, and they're like, oh, did you cut your hair, or are you letting your hair grow? Those are like the normal common comments that a lot of people tell based on my results, because they are very natural. Like, I do very defined, very detailed, precise work.
Right. So it's the guy who might be shaving his head totally close and never has any hair. I mean, because I know guys that do that. Now it looks like they grow a little stubble out, right?
Mm-hmm. Just like if they use a trimmer, you trim the head, and it's like that.
That's awesome. Well, everyone should want to look younger. So, and I've seen, you should check out her, by the way, you should look at her Instagram. It's ALL_. SCALPS, all scalps. So now let's get down to how does everyone find you? Like social media, Facebook. I'm assuming you have all the accounts, right? Instagram is all _scalps. What's your phone number? So if guys want to call you and ask you about your services.
So our phone number is 305-381-0516.
Conveniently located in Wynwood. By the way, if you like this video, smash the like button, follow our channel, follow her at All Scalps, follow me at Rewind Anti-Aging Miami on Instagram. We also have a Facebook, Google Rewind Miami, and hopefully you'll come back for the show. For another show.
For another show. Let's do it.
Awesome.
Thanks for having me.
You're welcome, and thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next episode.